Get the exact acupressure points you need to eliminate anxiety, especially during PMS. Subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified for a new video every single week. My name is Kyla, and for the last 17 years, I've had little to no pain of menstrual or PMS symptoms. So let's begin and check out these 2 acupressure points to help relieve your anxiety. Okay, the first one is right on the wrist here. So you want to find the crease, measure 3 fingers down for where the crease bends and right in the middle. So you can push right in up into a bit of between the 2 tendons, and you can push it so you kind of can feel it. Then you really want to just hold it there and take some nice deep breaths. You may be able to feel the energy move right away, and if not, just stay still. You want to be still for, like I said, a few breaths. So you could pause this video and just allow your body to sink right into it. I'm assuming you do, but just to double check, do you experience anxiety during your menstrual cycle or PMS? I'd love to hear if you want to just let me know and drop a comment there below. Now, the second acupressure point I'm going to share with you is really easy to find. It's right here in the center of your collarbone. So I'm just going to move a few things out of the way here. Right in the collarbone, so you feel the bone here, and then there's a little dip. Now press really light here because it's a sensitive area. All of the meridians that are on the central nervous system, the front ones and the back ones, are very, very powerful. They're more at the surface, and you don't have to push in so deep to access them. Not like the other ones that are actually going into your body's vortexes, they're a little denser on an energetic level. So you can just push your finger there, and it's gonna bring the energy right down and centered and relax. So just like the other acupressure point, hold it for 1 to 3 breaths. I recommend longer than shorter, and really allow your body to just sink right into it. Make sure you download the acupressure combo cheat sheet that has all the most common menstrual symptoms with the acupressure points inside it. So you can download it and just print it off and start to use them regularly. I highly recommend that you start to implement these acupressure points daily so that your energetic field and your energetic flow will start to get used to you utilizing the acupressure points. But of course, consistency is going to make it go deeper and last longer. Please subscribe and rate this video to help me eradicate PMS. And I just want to thank you so much for watching. Have a really great day.